Amar, who lives in Agra, was busy preparing for his daughter's wedding. He had booked everything from hotels to musicians to beauticians, everything required for marriage proceedings of marriage rituals. There were 15 days left for wedding. Unfortunately, his son-in-law met with an accident. Amar then had to postpone the wedding. This caused him losses to the tune of lakhs of rupees. If Amar had taken an insurance for his daughter's wedding, then he would not have suffered this much loss. Wedding insurance is a good option to cover risks such as sudden cancellation of marriage, theft of valuable items, personal accident, and natural calamities. Wedding is an event in life. Expenses have no limit. In this auspicious event, every person tries to fulfill his desire. In many families, shopping for wedding events starts 1 or 2 years in advance. Like Amar, people book hotels, catering, and beauticians months in advance. According to the Confederation of India Traders, that is CAIT, there will be around 38 lakh weddings in the country between November 23 and December 15. The estimated cost of these weddings is around 5 lakh crore rupees. According to a report by matrimony.com, between 1 to 1.3 crore weddings take place in the country every year. A report by consultancy firm KPMG states that the wedding industry in India is worth 3.71 lakh crore rupees. It is growing at an annual rate of 25 to 30%. If any mishap such as theft, robbery, fire, or accident occurs during the wedding preparation, then the families can face a big crisis. Wedding insurance compensates for such losses. Personal finance expert Nisha Sanghvi says that wedding insurance is not yet very popular in India. Through this insurance, the risk of any unpleasant incident during the wedding ceremony can be covered. The wedding in which 20 to 30 lakh rupees are being spent, a fraction more can be spent on insurance, which can put several types of worries. If we look at it from inflation viewpoint, then it is a very cheap option. Therefore, it is advisable to take insurance cover for weddings. So let's now understand what all is covered in wedding insurance. The scope of risk coverage in wedding insurance is increasing with time. Damage to wedding venue due to legal or criminal incidents are included in the insurance cover. If jewelry, clothes, or other valuable items are stolen, the insurance company will reimburse the loss. The risk of damage due to rain, storm, or earthquake is also covered. Now, insurance companies also give personal accident cover in wedding insurance policies. Compensation is given to those who are included in this policy. Their injury, disability, and death are covered. However, there are some clauses in wedding insurance policies. Insurers can reject your claim on basis of such clauses. If the wedding ceremony is cancelled due to any kind of dispute or argument, then the insurance company will not reimburse the loss. If the insurer feels that negligence or intentional damage has been done during the wedding, then no compensation will be given. Suicide or attempted suicide, self-harm, nothing is covered under the insurance policies. Companies such as Future Generali, ICICI Lombard, HDFC Ergo, Bajaj Alliance General Insurance sell wedding insurance. Insurers currently pay very low amount of claims, which makes the premium cheaper. To buy this policy, you will have to spend 1 to 1.5% of your total wedding budget. If your wedding budget is 20 lakh rupees, then you will have to pay a premium of up to 30,000 rupees. In the era of inflation, this amount looks small. Insurers provide insurance cover for up to 2 years before the wedding day. In some policies, risk is covered for 1 year. It is better to buy the policy 2 to 3 months in advance. Although, you can also buy this insurance a week earlier. It is better to buy the policy as soon as the wedding date is fixed. If your family is gearing up for wedding, then do consider taking insurance cover for this auspicious occasion. There are different rules and conditions of insurance companies, so find out before buying the policy. What will be covered and what will not. Include sufficient insurance cover in your policy to increase your happiness.